Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Glad to see you guys are watching. Right now I'm just gonna put the epoxy into the cup. I'm using Amazing Cast and it's a 2-part solution. I'm mostly eyeballing my solution. This cup will be a 4-color solid cup without the marble effect, and then we're gonna use 2 colors to give it the marble effect, which is going to be a white and pink. We're going to use a dark blue, a turquoise, and a like light green but mixed kind of with blue. It's some beautiful colors that we're going to use today. So right now I'm just dividing the epoxy into 4 different cups. I already have my pink cup and I'm going to keep the cup that I already had, so that makes it 6 cups in total. I'm fast forwarding through this because I didn't already have my acrylic paint ready. That's the Mermaid Parade color, and I believe the name of that is Applebee. You can pick that up at your local Walmart, and that's the color 2 Blue, which is going to be my starter color. So basically I'm touching it with the wooden spoon to see where my ending part is going to be on the cup, and then I'm just going to go in and I'm going to touch it with my hand and put the colors on it. With acrylic paint, sometimes it looks like the color is not deep enough, meaning you don't have enough acrylic paint, and in reality you actually do. So I just be mindful that it's going to change in the end when the cup swirls around, and just keep that in mind. But if you're looking for like something solid, make sure that the color is dark enough to your liking. Okay, we're gonna go in with our second color, I believe. And I'm gonna do the same thing, see where my ending point is, and then I'm gonna just rub that down. And if you see me go into the blue a little bit, then just know that I didn't want it to be seamless. Not seamless, I did want it to be seamless, and where the colors are kind of meshing into each other and not just having like a straight line for one color, because I wanted to like mix in together. I'm just gonna pop back in here and tell you guys, you see how the second coat the color is darker? Is because I didn't add that much of epoxy to that one. It's mostly acrylic, so it's a little bit darker. You're gonna see a few little like spots in the cup to where it's lighter and you kind of see the white coming through. Don't worry about that, because when the cup swirls to make the marble effect, that is not even going to be a problem. You will see it when you get to the end of the video and I show you the final result, and you'll love it. Okay, we're going to the third color. You're kind of seeing the blue and the other color kind of mix into each other. As I do the third color, I just want to say that with acrylic paints, if you kind of make them a little bit loose, you'll notice that they kind of go into the other colors sometimes, and that's okay for the cup that I am doing. I didn't want to make the solution too gummy or anything, or just do it just plain acrylic without the epoxy. Okay, so now we're on the fourth color, which is my favorite color, by the way. It's called Cabana Stripe. It's by the same company as the other acrylic paints, but I just love this color. It's very light. It just gives me a good vibe every time I see a color. Might paint my kitchen in it. As you can see, when you're doing multiple colors, sometimes it gets a little messy if you're using your fingers like I am, because you run out of options. Like, I looked at my fingers and I didn't know which one that I was going to rub the cup to. But if you can change gloves real quick, which I couldn't because I had on a white shirt and I didn't want to touch my other hand or mess something up. So just keep that in mind when doing this. I got super hyped. I saw the potential in the cup. And this is not even the finished product yet. We're going to add some marble effects to it, which is going to be the white. As I've stated several times now, you're going to see that the white is kind of coming through, but don't worry about it too much. As long as it's not any fish holes that you see or any air bubbles, you should be good. Right now, I'm going to start the marbling effect. I'm going into the other color just a little bit before I just actually dive straight into just doing the marble effect. And when you do the marble effect, it's your creativity. It's kind of like you are the artist and your client is the customer, but you're the artist. It's your little effect. I mean, every marble cup is not going to be 100% the same. It's going to be something different out there. I was just adding the blue to the bottom to make sure I had that fully covered, but as I said again, as this cup begins to turn, the colors will begin to mix even more and more. So now we're going to go in with the white, and the white is by another company. I will actually put that in the description box for those that want to know, and you can pick that up at your local Walmart too. And I'm usually a great eyeballer, by the way, for the epoxy mix. You just mix that in real quick and begin to add the white to it. So I add the white just up and down. Really, I was trying to get the strings to be a little bit thinner, but my first few drops, it was kind of thicker than I wanted to be. But usually just wait till you kind of get a little thinner, get to the size that you want, and just kind of spring it on the cup any way that you would like, or make a design. Like with the blue, you're going to see me make like a little swirl design if I haven't already. And that's just my signature, just to make a little swirl, hence my name, Sparkle and Swirls. Actually, when I'm doing marble cups, you guys, I tend to not know when to stop. It's just so many thoughts running through my mind like, hey, hold on. This white at the bottom is too much. Let me add some more blue. Let me add some more white. Okay, hold on. I think I almost forgot the pink, but you'll see me kind of catch on later on in the video and remember to add the pink. But I was so obsessed with this bottom blue that I just wanted it throughout the cup to just show it more. Finally, I bring out the pink. Who doesn't love pink? I'm just gonna go in with the pink the same way that I went in with the white, and I'm just gonna do little thin little streaks around the cup, and I'm just gonna go up and make a little different effects. And I'm just gonna do that until I feel like it's enough. Knowing me, it's gonna probably be a while because I just love it. But just go in between the white pieces and just add your pink, and go in between the blue. Wherever you feel that you need to add your marble color, do it. You are the artist, as I've been saying over and over again. This is your creation. Like, just do how you want to. Nobody marble cup is the same every time. Okay guys, we're making it towards the end of the video, and this is our final results. I'm so happy with the cup, and I hope you guys are too. Stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be a spray paint video on the Tumbler. Thanks.